Hey guys, today we're going to make some brownies. The ingredients that you'll need for the brownies are a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 eggs, and a 1/2 cup of butter. So let's get started. The first step that you need to do is preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. And the second step is to grease your baking pan with butter and line it with parchment paper. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to take our 1/2 cup of butter and put it in a pot, and we are going to melt the butter. So just letting you know that these brownies are going to be absolutely delicious, and you definitely want to try this recipe. Now that our butter has melted, we can now turn off the flame and slowly carry it over from the stove. And now we can mix in our cup of sugar that we have here into our melted butter. So we're going to just whisk in the sugar to combine with the butter. So now that our sugar is whisked in with our butter, we're going to next add the 2 eggs into our butter sugar mixture. At this point, when your eggs are mixed in, the next thing that you're going to do is add in your vanilla extract, that is a teaspoon of it, into your egg butter sugar mixture. And set that aside. Now we're going to whisk in the vanilla extract. Now that the mixture is combined, next we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of flour here. And we're going to mix it in the batter. Mix the flour in so that it's well combined, but don't overmix it. Okay, so our flour is mixed very well into our batter. So next we're going to add in our cocoa powder. And we're going to whisk it well. not too much, so that you don't overmix it. So here we have that lovely chocolate batter here. To complete the batter, we're going to just add in the baking powder. And then whisk it well in so that it's combined. And that's it. Our batter is finished. So now that our batter is done, we're going to take our baking pan that we have prepared and pour in the batter. Out the batter from there so that you have all the batter in your baking pan. So now that you have put your batter into your baking pan, the next thing that you want to do is put your baking pan in the oven. So now that our cake is in the oven, all you got to do is wait. Wait for 25-30 minutes for the cake to be ready. So now we've taken out our brownies out of the oven and it's completely baked. So if your pan is a little bit bigger than an 8-inch pan, our pan was a little bit bigger, so we took it out at 20 minutes. You have to adjust the time that you bake it according to your size of the pan that you choose to bake it in. So now we're going to let the brownies cool and we're going to show you how they look afterwards. So this is how our brownie looks after it has cooled down, and now we're going to taste it and see how delicious it's going to be. That's really good.